Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm Boxyluxe time, you guys, and I finally got my Boxyluxe box. I'm not sure what's been going on. I normally would get my Boxycharm subscription box by the 5th of the month, but now I'm getting it around the 10th or 12th of the month, so there's been a little bit of delay in the receipt of my Boxycharm boxes, but I'm glad to have this Boxyluxe box either way, be it on time or late. I'm glad to get it. This month's theme for our Boxyluxe box is All Access. And this is the info card, and as you can see here, I got variation 8L. So this is the little heart here on this card and the little number, and that lets you know which variation of box that you have. The variation determines the products that you get in your specific box. So I'm variation 8L, and we've got some really good items in this box, so let's just jump right into them. The first item that we're going to talk about that came in this month's Boxyluxe box is a brush set from Mota Studios, and I am so glad that I got this item. I was hoping that I would get this item and not one of the hair care items, so I'm glad that I got this brush set. This is an 8-piece Pro Glam brush set. I did not use this set today, but I am going to be using it because we all know that if you are a makeup enthusiast, you cannot have enough brushes. These brushes look really nice, and I had gotten a brush from Boxycharm before from Mota, and I fell in love with that brush and I use it all the time. It's a highlight brush, and let's see, this is it right here. So you guys have seen me use this brush in videos before. I love this brush for applying highlighters. It's very soft, and these brushes seem to be of the same quality. They are very soft, and I like the Mota brushes quite a bit. So I am super happy to have these, and 8 brushes in this set. Very nice. So super glad to have this. And the retail cost for the Mota brush set is $69.99. The next item is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this product is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. I really like anything that's skincare related, and also if it is a product that works overnight, I like that idea. So I'm super excited about this product, and I'm glad to have it. So this hydrating recovery sleeping mask, I'm going to be trying this out, and I will come back and let you guys know what I think of this product. And the retail cost for this recovery sleeping mask is $52. The next item is from Glow Recipe, and it is the Pineapple Bright Serum. The info card states the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum is the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing. It's formulated with a stable blend of 25% pure pineapple juice, one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes, infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. And the bottle that this Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum comes in is so cute. Is this not the cutest package ever? It is so cute. But I'm really glad to have this. I will be trying this out, and the suggested retail cost for the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum is $49. The next item is from Hank & Henry, and it is the Blackety Black eyeliner. And the info card states, introducing our latest addition to the Stick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This seems to be a really nice eyeliner. I like the tip on this. I like the tip on it because it's fine. It's a fine tip, so it should make it easy to get those really sharp lines or to make a really sharp wing to give you that cat eye look. So I'm super glad to have this, and I will definitely be trying this out. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try this out in the demo portion of this video. The retail cost for the Hank & Henry Blackety Black eyeliner is $20. The next item is from IGK, and it is the Mistress Hydrating Balm. This is a hair product, so I did get a hair product in my Boxyluxe box. I thought I didn't get one, but obviously I did. But this is a leave-in conditioning hair balm that won't weigh your hair down. I'm not quite sure if I'll use this or not, but it seems like a pretty interesting product, and if I don't use it, I'll be sure to pass it on to someone else who can get some use out of this product. And the retail cost for the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm is $29. The next item that came in my box is from Tarte, and it is the Park Avenue Princess Palette. And the info card says, want to create that perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance? It's now easier than ever to bronze and glow with Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer formulated to blend and build your perfect level of uniform bronze. The packaging of this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's really, really pretty. It does come with a nice size mirror, and this is what the shades of this palette look like. I'm not quite sure if these are going to be deep enough for my skin tone. I might be able to work from here. For these three shades here, I doubt very seriously I'll be able to use them, but I'm going to give it a try. It might be a situation where I can use some of these lighter shades here, or try these two lighter shades here under my eye maybe, and see how that works. I'm not sure, but maybe I'll give it a try, and then maybe be able to use a couple of these shades, or maybe even these three shades here on the end of this palette, or the deeper shades in this palette, to maybe do some bronzing. So yeah, I'll give it a try, but it's a very pretty palette. And the retail cost for this Park Avenue Princess palette is $45. The next item that came in my box is from Stila, and it is their Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and I have this in the shade Rubino. This will be my first Stila liquid lipstick, and the info card says that this is a full coverage creamy liquid lipstick. I'm using this lip product on my lips today. It's really pretty, and as of right now I have not added any gloss. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I like it. The suggested retail cost for the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick is $22. And last but not least, it is the Essentials palette from Violet Voss. And I did use this palette to create this look today. This is a very nice palette, and I think that it's going to make for some really nice everyday looks. There are 10 shades in this palette, and the info card says that the Essential Eyeshadow Palette provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics, so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. So this is really, really nice, and again, like I said, I used it in this video today, so you'll be able to see me using this in the demo portion of this video. And the retail cost for the Violet Voss Essential Eyeshadow Palette is $29. I have added up the cost for all of the items that I received in my box, and the total cost is $315.99. So that's one of the things that I really like about Boxycharm and Boxyluxe, because you get full-size products and you always pay substantially less in terms of the monthly subscription when compared to the retail cost of all the products that are in the box. There were 8 items that came in this Boxyluxe box, and all of these were full-size products, and I paid less than $50 for my upgraded Boxycharm subscription to get this Boxyluxe box. So it is well worth the cost. So if you guys are interested, you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up and you can start receiving your own Boxycharm box, or even the quarterly Boxyluxe box. So now that you guys have seen all the items that came in my box, let's get into the demo portion of this video. So I'm going to start off by using this shade right here. This shade is called Sand, and I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. And I'm going to use the shade right here. This shade is called Terracotta, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And now I'm going to take this shade here, and this shade is called Cinnamon, and I'm going to use this on the outer and the inner V of my eye. I'm going to create a nice little halo. And now I'm going to use this shade right here. This is called Plum Berry, and I'm going to place this right in the center of my eyelids here. And now I'm going to take my MAC 242 and I'm going to blend these two colors together, the cinnamon and the plum berry. And I'm just going to soften up the edges of where these two shades come together. Looks good. And now I'm going to use my Sigma E36 and I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to use this terracotta shade. This is the same shade that I used as my transition shade, and I'm going to add a little bit more depth into this eye look where I have manipulated my natural crease line because I do have hooded eyes, so I did have to bring this cinnamon shade and the plum berry up above my natural crease line just a little bit. So I just want to just soften up that area just a little bit. I'm going to use this Blackity Black eyeliner from Hank & Henry, and I'm going to line my eyes. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm going to try to add a little wing and see how well this fine tip felt eyeliner is going to do that. It's not bad. I like that. I've added my liner and my lashes, and I've also finished off my complexion. And I'm going to go back into the Essentials palette from Violet Voss, and I'm going to go back into this cinnamon shade here, and I'm going to use this to just kind of smoke out that waterline just a little bit. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit of the purple, this plum berry. This is the same shade that I have in the center of my eye. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my waterline as well. Like that. And then for my inner corner highlight, I am going to use, I want to try this shade right here, and this is called Pink. So I'm going to try this shade right here as my inner corner highlight. Looks good. And now I'm going to use the Stila liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Rubino. Really pretty color. Looks like a nice deep wine color. Very pretty. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.